The topic is about the shortage of water and problem of electric within Gambella, especially some of the area, but not all area, but the area where I belong, or Newland. Newland is where the majority of the community of Gambella reside, especially Nuer are the majority in Gambella. This majority people or Nuer people, they are not getting the same resources that the government is providing to all the community in Gambella. They have been neglected. There's no enough water. There's no enough electric to them. Sometimes the water might not be here while the water are there in some area. They sometimes have water while we do not have, which we condemn as use. It shouldn't be done that way. It should be provided equally to the people of Gambella. When you look at the power, electric, sometimes even a small rain, when it rains, they always shut our power down. Sometimes we spend night dark, it's too hard. While some area there's power. What is this? What bring all of this? Is it political issues, or what bring these differences? All the citizens should be treated equally without any unfair or injustice way. All right? We are expecting our government, or Gambella government, to provide the same thing to the same community or to all the community living in Gambella. What I'm sending out there is that we are being misused. We are neglected and ignored, and no one is caring for the community. Sometimes when it happens, who can ever say? Nobody. The people or the indigenous of Gambella or the Nuer who are living in Newland, they do not have a say. They do not have any expression of saying that we are lacking this. The same government is making them suffer. I think this thing is the leadership which are making our people suffer. People should be treated equally, and we believe that this is what all the leaders should do. You shouldn't govern the people while you make them suffer. You should provide the same resources to them. So my message is that it should go to everyone who is concerned about this. We are not willing to accept this unappropriate way of treating. You are mistreating the community. Community should be cared, because this is the community which are helping you, which are electing you. So what you do is that provide the same thing to the community. Be justice and treat people equally. That is the way of governing the people. I'm not a politician, but I'm seeing what is best for my people and for me. The last thing that I would like to say is that I think one hand can have a club, but if we work together, we can make noise. We can do something together. Thank you. You have any comment, leave it below, or sub to my channel so that you will be getting any new video which I'm going to be uploading for the thing which are happening in Gambella.